Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a shapefile from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I have this project which I've taken some points in, I've created some lines, all of that kind of fun jazz, and what I want to do is I want to export it, as I said, as a shapefile. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my bottom left corner to my plumb bob icon here, and then in my resulting main menu, I want to select import/export. And then I'm going to choose the GIS files option here, and then I'm going to go for a shapefile export. And then it just says shapefile export complete. I'm going to hit OK. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over my screen here. And if I go into my documents and then MicroSurvey FieldGenius projects, and I was in my staking list projects. So if I just find that and open it up here, you can see that I now have a shapefile export with all of my shapefile information. And that is how you export a shapefile from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And that is everything for today's video. If you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our website, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.